Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Do you sometimes feel like a product has to have a fragrance in order for it to work? I think that mentally I do as well. That's why I'm super surprised and impressed by this awesome styling gel from FRAGFRE. This is a hair gel and it is completely fragrance free, just like the name suggests. Many people today have a lot of aggravations that come from using products with scents, but this product works so well you will never even notice that it doesn't have a scent. As soon as you pour this into your hand, you can tell that it is really basically like any other gel that you've ever used before. However, it doesn't have any of the fragrances or dyes or many other ingredients that may cause you some aggravation. I really like the styling gel because it really works amazing. So if I want to use a thick amount, I can definitely tell that this could give me a really hardcore hairstyle if I wanted it to. But at the same time, if I only use a little bit, my hair feels soft and manageable without any frizz. It really makes me feel like I could make my hair into a different style. I recently got bangs and I have super curly hair, but I was able to use this on my bangs every day, and I noticed that they stay straight all day after straightening and using the gel. If you're looking for a product that really allows you to be able to enjoy all of the hairstyles that you want without all of the fragrance that you don't want, then you definitely need to check this out. But that's just my point of view.